What's up, all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I have a very exciting video that I'm so excited to do. So you guys, about 2 weeks ago at this point, e.l.f. Cosmetics literally dropped a new product, and this is their new Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for radiant skin, yada yada yada. It's this product right here, okay? And so I noticed looking at the pictures, I was like, that kind of looked like that Charlotte Tilbury product. Y'all remember this? Y'all remember this? The Hollywood Flawless Filter, okay? So I was like, and then I read the comment. It was like, y'all, on Tremmel's page, it was like 600 something comments. I was like, okay, the people are wanting to see this. Like, y'all like this product. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and buy it. Let me review it. Because I already own this one. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and buy this, do a comparison. And, you know, for anybody who might be interested in buying this one, because you've been wanting this one, but you don't want to spend the money for this one, I am here to show you guys if they are similar, if, you know, you can go ahead and save your money, like what is the differences. So before we get started, let's go ahead and read out the claims of each of these products and just go over pricing and all that jazz, okay? So let's go ahead and get to it. So let me go head over to Sephora.com and pull up Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, here we go. Got her pulled up. Okay, let's go to e.l.f. Cosmetics. So let me go ahead and start off first with the Charlotte Tilbury one. So the Charlotte Tilbury, first of all, the price difference, let's just go ahead and do that. This one retails for $44, and the e.l.f. one is for $14, so it's a $30 difference between the two. The Hollywood filter comes in, how many shades does this come in? Comes in, they have more shades now. Actually, there was only like, at a point, there was only like 6 or 7 shades, but they recently expanded their shades back in 2021. They brought out more shades because I actually did not have a color, but now I have a color. And I wear the shade 6.5. Let me do colors as well too. So I wear the shade 6.5 in the Charlotte Tilbury, and then in the e.l.f. I wear the shade 6. e.l.f. only has 8 shades as of right now, and like I said, I wear the shade 6, so I'm the second to the darkest, just going 1 through 8. Size difference, so the Charlotte Tilbury one, you get 1 fluid ounce in here, while the e.l.f. one, you get 1.06 fluid ounce, so you get just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and look at the packaging. So the Charlotte Tilbury, same thing, you get the doe foot applicator. It's about this size, and let me just say, when I saw the pictures of this, I did not think it was going to be this big. Like, this is much, like when I say I was shocked when I got my package, I was like, oh, that's larger than I was expecting. And so this is the e.l.f. one right here, as you guys can see. And let me hold both of them up, because the e.l.f. one is definitely a bigger applicator. So these are the size difference right here. For me, I'm fine with either or. I would say I think I slightly like the one that's a little bit bigger. You could just cover more surface quicker, so that is a plus to it. Now let's talk about what these products actually do, you know, to see what makes them similar, because right now all I'm seeing is that they're both glowy. And yeah, for the Charlotte Tilbury, this is a complexion booster that blurs, smooths, and illuminates for a real life filter effect. And you can customize your glow with 4 ways to apply. What? Anyways, it's light coverage. The finish is a radiant finish. It's a liquid formula, and it's best for normal, oily, dry, and combination skin. So pretty much any skin type, this product is going to be good for. And now let's go over to the e.l.f. one. No, I don't want a free gift. I hate when like websites are just like, so many things are popping up. Put your email in for 10% off, and just like pop-ups like, stop. Like, I just want to read and get what I want off the website. Like, you're doing too much right now. You're stressing me out. Your website is stressing me out. Like, I hate websites like that. And e.l.f. right now is just a bunch of pop-ups. Anyways, so the e.l.f. one says it's a full-size multi-purpose liquid glow booster infused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft, focused social filter effect in real life. So as you guys see, they're both saying that they're supposed to give you a filter-like effect, right? Like a real life filter. So that is what we're going for. If you want to look like you're walking around with a filter on your face at all times, these products are claiming to be just that, okay? So let's see. It says, while you love it, skincare makeup hybrid for glowy, dewy skin. Complexion looks healthy and more radiant. Can be used 4 ways: wear alone, over or under makeup, mix with foundation, or use as a highlighter. So the Sephora website didn't really go into details, but it also said that you can apply it 4 different ways. I'm assuming same thing with what e.l.f. is saying. It's enriched with skin-loving ingredients like squalene and hyaluronic acid. And like I said, available in 8 universal shades that works across all skin tones. Usually with products like this, I don't mind that they have such a smaller shade range, because they're so lightweight that somebody who, like 3 different people can be of 3 different complexions, but the color it's so lightweight that it can work for those 3 people. who are close in color. So yeah, is there anything else that I wanted to go over? So it has the squalene and the hyaluronic acid in there. Let me just check something real quick, the ingredients for the Charlotte Tilbury. So Charlotte Tilbury does have the squalene in there, and does it have hyaluronic acid? I am not seeing hyaluronic acid here. Okay, anyways, e.l.f. did not state the skin type is great for, but honestly, I feel like a lot of these products really are good for any skin type. Obviously, if you're more on the drier side, you're gonna love anything like dewy, glowy, but you know, if you're oily, does not mean you cannot wear dewy stuff. You know, you gotta prep a little differently. You probably have to just do a little bit, you gotta do a little bit more finessing, but it's not to say that you can't. So let's get to it. So the reason why I really like this product, and I felt like, well, this one that I have tried, I have not tried this yet. I've been waiting on camera to get to try this with you guys. But I feel like the reason why I like this product, and a lot of people love this product, is that we love the glowy look, right? And this is nothing new as far as like, you know, a liquid shimmering product. You can literally just take any tinted moisturizer, take a liquid highlighter, mix it in, and you know, put it on your face. But if you don't feel like being a chemist that day and you know, mixing and concocting up a, you know, concoction to put on your face, I love the fact that this is already done for you. So I'm having some breakouts here, which is pissing me off. So to be fair, okay, since I've already used the Charlotte Tilbury, I'm gonna do this half of my face with Charlotte Tilbury and this half of my face with the e.l.f. I need to go ahead and clip my hair back because this right here, oh child, not the lace trying to come up, I need to put a little more glue there, but I'm just not doing that because after this video, I'm going to sit in my bed. But anyways, okay, so let's start with the Charlotte Tilbury on this side. So I'm gonna literally wear this product like I normally would. I'm not doing my whole face, I'm not doing brows, I'm not doing lashes, I want you guys to see these products in what they are supposed to be, because this is literally how I would wear it. It's just by itself. Like, I have tried wearing this with makeup, y'all, I look crazy. Absolutely not. Like, no. The way I like to do my makeup, I can't wear this with it. So, and that's just for my skin type. And by the way, oh, sorry, I'm so sorry that I keep just stopping real quick, but you got, okay, you know what? Let me just put it on. Let me put it on and I'll go over that too as well. So I'm just gonna do like a stripe here, a stripe here. But anyways, you guys, so like I said, I wear the shade 6. If you're going to use me as a point of reference for to match your skin, I'm gonna take a beauty blender. I wear the shade Macao in NARS. I wear the shade 420 in Fenty. I wear the shade NW43 in MAC, just for a point of reference for anybody who is interested. And sorry, you guys, let me try to hold my hand. My bracelet is making a lot of noise. Anyways, so that's that. And I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but okay, y'all, just took a look at the viewfinder. My wig looks crazy. Please ignore that. Ignore it. But yes, you guys, this is literally just looking like my skin, but better. It's glowy. Love it. Like, I mean, it looked like, the only difference is that this just looks a little more illuminated. Now, for me, I do have a little bit of some breakouts here, so I'm just gonna take this product and I'm gonna go over it in this area with it and just kind of like pat on it so that I could build up coverage. All right, and that is that side. So now it's time to try the e.l.f. one. Let me clean off. I should have done this side first, right? I should have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually use this side of the beauty blender, so that way it's like fair, it's like nothing's mixing. So this one, let me just do one stripe. Do one stripe first, because I don't know how, like, what the coverage is like. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's lightweight. Oh, okay, so I can do another stripe. You know, you just got, you can never be too sure. Okay. Okay, so let me just say, Okay, first and foremost, I think I like the color of the e.l.f. much better. Like I said, Charlotte Tilbury, they recently expanded their shade range. I felt like the colors that they had originally, the one that I was gonna go for was too dark, so I just never bought it. And then they expanded their shade range, and then I got it for free when I was working at Sephora, so I didn't have to buy it. But I went with the shade 6.5, which is one of their newer shades. Looking at my face right now, like this side is not bad. This side really is not bad, but once I put this color down is when I realized that this looks, and I don't know if y'all are able to see this, but I feel like I can see it on the viewfinder. This looks more like my actual skin color. Like it literally looks like my skin. This, like I said, is not bad, but it just looks a little light, and it only looks bad. When I say bad, it only looks more apparent because this is on this side. As far as glow goes, I feel like they're both doing the thing when it comes to glow. The only thing I will say is that when you actually open this product up, the Charlotte Tilbury, you can literally see like the glowiness of it. And with the e.l.f., like the only thing I did before I actually did this video was just look at them. I was just like, And so looking at this, initially I was just like, I don't see that much, you know, little shimmer, shimmer, shine, shine, shine. But now that I have it on, and let me go ahead and take this down because y'all, I cannot take myself seriously with my freaking lace trying to lift up. Now that I have this on, oh, she's giving, she's glowy. Like she's glowy. So I was gonna actually do like a wear test of this, and I probably will, but I can go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts. I can give y'all my final thoughts on this right now. So as far as which product would I recommend over the two, I want to ask you this thing. You have to figure out which person you are of these two. There are some people in this life where it's just like you can buy all the dupes in the world for something that you are like, for a product that you really, really want, and you just never feel satisfied because it's, you know, it's not the real thing. And then there's people who they really don't care. They can buy all the dupes, and it's just like, I'm good with the little dupe. Like I don't have the desire to own the real thing. So I will say, between these two products, you have to ask yourself, do you care so much to own the real thing, or you just want something similar? Because I feel like they're honestly very, very similar products. Like literally, I see no difference in my face besides the color. I do like the shade of this better, but as far as them doing the same thing as far as glowiness, hydration, all of that, I feel like they are the same thing. My face feels the same, it's just the color slightly different. And then I do want to get into that as well too. So like I said, if you're going to use me as a point of reference for color, I think the e.l.f. matches me much better. So if you and I were the same shade and you're trying to see, you know, which one you want to go with, I think when it comes to picking a color, I think e.l.f. will give you the better shade match. If you're just a tad bit lighter than me, you probably will like the Charlotte Tilbury. And even then, even if you are my skin tone, this still works. Like it still works, but I definitely feel like this works better. So I do want to do a wear test. I want to see what it looks like, you know, 2-3 hours down the line. That's usually the time frame of when I like to have stuff like this on. It's just like, okay, time for you to come off my face. So I'm going to do a little bit of a wear test, and then I'll be back to check in with you guys. But right now, my initial preference before we finish the wear test, I'm going to have to go with the e.l.f. product. I feel like this is the better option. Price wise, much better. You get a little bit more product in there, and it definitely feels like it's doing the same thing that the Charlotte Tilbury does. And also I like the color better on the e.l.f. So I'm going to go ahead and do a wear test, and then I'll be back to show you guys, you know, everything and just kind of wrap up the video. But y'all, this is a simple video. Like y'all have never seen me in this like amount of makeup, like barely any makeup. This is it. Like y'all, my skin is really acting up. Like I swear, every time that I'm trying to film a video, like my skin loves to hate on me. Ugh. All right guys, so I am back. It is now 5:01. I stopped recording at like 12:52. Let's just say 1 o'clock. So 1 p.m. is now 5 o'clock. It's been 4 hours. This is what I look like. I look like a, you know, a little overly hydrated, but I kind of like it. It's just, I feel like if a couple more hours pass by, it's no longer going to be a cute little shine. It's gonna be like, girl, what's going on? But I think this looks nice. It just looks like it looks like nice hydration. I would say that. I probably could afford to, you know, do a little pat down, but I think it looks fine. And as far as the color goes, in person, now that it's had time to like kind of settle in, it looks better, but I think overall, this is definitely the winning color for me. I can still see a slight difference, but that's just because I know. But I feel like if anybody was just looking at my face in general, they probably would not pay that much attention to it. So let me give my final decision on these two products, right? I love both of them. I think they're both amazing products, but I think you should go ahead and save your money and get the e.l.f. If you are interested in a nice, lightweight, dewy, hydrating product with a little bit of some, you know, glisten, a little bit of some shine, some shimmer, shine, I think you would really like this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It is beautiful. Like, it is beautiful. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. Yet again, I think this is something that's good for all skin types, really. You just kind of have to do a little bit more finessing depending on your skin type. I don't think I ever said in the video what type of skin that I have. I have normal to combination skin. My skin pretty much, it doesn't get too oily, it doesn't really get too dry. So that's why I say normal to combination, because for the most part, I usually am good to go. Some days it can be either or, depending on what, it just depends on what I did that day as far as like my prep and like the foundation I use. But I like to say that I have normal skin, can sometimes be combination. So all in all, I think they're both nice, but like I said, I think you should save your money, go ahead and go for this one. This is amazing. I think it's beautiful. I think I look good, and I like the fact that I kept it very simple. This is literally how I would wear this product, would be just like this, and I would run my errands. And you guys, I did use a beauty blender, but I'm starting to feel like when it comes to like stuff like this, just taking my hand and just kind of like doing like a nice little dab and calling it a simple day. But yeah, and you don't also have to put this all over the face. You can just do like a nice little cheek highlight. You can wear this underneath an actual full coverage foundation. You can use this on top of a full coverage foundation as a liquid highlighter. You can get really creative with this product. And I feel like this is perfect for traveling and you want to go somewhere like kind of tropical and you don't want to wear makeup that day. Let's say you're going somewhere like, I don't know, Jamaica or Aruba, and you're gonna do an excursion that day. Listen, when I'm going to go do excursions, the last thing I'm putting on my face is makeup. But if I'm gonna put on makeup, it's going to be a tinted moisturizer and a big pair of sunglasses. So I think something like this is perfect for stuff like that when you just want just something to kind of even your skin out, give a little bit of some glisten, but you don't want to go like full on heavy. I think a product like this is amazing. So yet again, I think e.l.f. did a phenomenal job with this product, and I love that we have an alternative to this because this can be quite pricey. I mean, $44, that's not too bad when you think about like high-end stuff, because some stuff can get really, really pricey. But I mean, if there's an option for $14 that does the same exact thing, boom, I'm gonna go with that one. So yes, that is my final decision. And you guys comment down below if you plan on picking this up. If you did pick it up, what are your thoughts? Which side did you like better? Did you like the Charlotte Tilbury or did you like the e.l.f. side better? And oh, my hair keeps getting stuck in like on my rings and my bracelets. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.